Gilberto is going to be working in the laboratory at Dynacare, which is the laboratory for Froedtert Hospital. And actually, I believe you have already kind of been working, haven't you?
Kind of.
They needed help so much that they kind of started him ahead of time, but he'll start his professional staff position there very soon. Congratulations. Nicholas Daring. Nick is graduating cum laude with his major in clinical lab science, but he also has a Spanish for the professions minor. He's also a member of Sigma Delta Pi Gamma Gamma chapter of the National Spanish Honors Society, so that's what chords are, right?
Yep.
And if any of you are wondering what the sash is for, that's for the Honduran flag because he was part of the Global Medical Brigades. And Nick is going to be working at the Zablocki VA Medical Center in Milwaukee.
Thanks, man.
Carissa Drua. Carissa has been working for quite a while. How many years now?
Like 2.5.
2.5 years for Dynacare Laboratories as a lab aide, so she's real familiar with the place. She's been there for clinicals and now as a professional staff position with Dynacare Laboratories. Congratulations. Elizabeth Hurt. While Liz is making her way down here, I'll mention that Liz took 3rd place in our state student poster competition in the student research category for a project that she did that helped out her clinical site in deciding how they were going to identify yeast, and she has taken a position at that clinic at Moreland Medical Center Laboratory. Emily Johnston. Emily graduates summa cum laude, which means that she has a grade point average of at least a 3.9. And she was a member of the Student Bowl championship team at our state conference and took 1st place in the student research category for her poster. And she has accepted a position with Wheaton Franciscan Healthcare in Franklin. Caitlin Knapp. Caitlin was another member of that championship team from Student Bowl this year at our state conference, and she's waiting till she gets moved back home, and then we'll be looking for a job in the Chicago area. Caitlin Krieger. Caitlin graduates magna cum laude, which means that she has at least a 3.7 grade point average. And she is going to be moving a little bit south to North Shore, Chicago, at their VA Medical Center. Accepted position there. Congratulations. Kyle Ortherberg. Kyle took second place in the student research category of our state student poster competition. Again, doing a project which really was helping out his clinical site to determine what was causing some of the errors in some of their testing. And he's going on an adventure. He has taken a position with LabCorp in Anchorage, Alaska. Congratulations. Jennifer Simonauer.
Yeah!
I'll be handing Jenny a certificate from the American Society for Clinical Pathology, which they have awarded her a National Student Honor Award in recognition of outstanding academic achievement and leadership activities in the medical laboratory sciences. And Jenny is going to be working at Jesse Brown, the VA hospital in downtown Chicago. Congratulations. Pew Twee. Pew is graduating cum laude, and she took first place in the faculty-supported research category of the student poster competition at the state meeting, as well as she was the fourth member of the Student Bowl championship team. And we have some students, obviously Anchorage, Alaska was one of them, but we have students going far away, and Pew is headed off to the other side of the country. She's going to Cambridge Health Alliance in the Boston, Massachusetts area. Ashley Tomeyer. Ashley took third place at the poster competition in the case study division. And I just have to mention, because it was just such an unusual thing, her project was on actinomycosis associated with a pistachio nut that had lodged itself in the lung, in the bronchi of the patient. So she found a very unusual case. She's going to be working with the VA Medical Center up in Minneapolis. Congratulations. Again, congratulations to all of our graduates.